What if you survived something you were never supposed to? What if you were given chance after chance after chance? Not by accident, but for a reason. Stay with me, because this might change how you see your lowest moment forever. Subscribe to Feed Your Soul for real stories, powerful mindset shifts, and transformation. Watch until the end. Your story might be featured to give someone else hope. He should have died 3 times. Not once, not twice. 3 overdoses where everything could have ended. There were moments of silence, moments where nothing was guaranteed. And yet, somehow, he woke up every single time. At first, you call that luck. But after a while, you start asking a different question. Why am I still here? Because when you hit rock bottom that hard, you don't just feel lost. You start believing you are lost. You tell yourself you've gone too far, made too many mistakes, burned too many chances to ever come back. But survival tells a different story. This is a tribute to the ones who've seen their darkest nights and still made it to the morning. The ones carrying regret, shame, and memories they wish they could erase, but are still breathing. Because rock bottom isn't the end. It's a turning point. It's where everything gets stripped away, and for the first time, you see clearly who you've been and who you still have a chance to become. Redemption doesn't happen overnight. It's slow. It's uncomfortable. It's choosing a better path over and over again, even when your past is pulling you backwards. But every step forward proves something. You're not done yet. So if you're still here, still breathing, still fighting, that's not random. That's time. Time to rebuild. Time to change. Time to turn everything you went through into something meaningful. And one day, your story won't just be about how you survived. It will be about why you were meant to. If you're still here, still breathing, still fighting, type, "I'm still here." Share your story in the comments. You might be featured in our next video to give someone hope. Subscribe to Feed Your Soul, because your story isn't finished yet.